what separates Gatlin Voelker. I think everybody in this room gives their cell phone numbers out to their clients. So I can assure you the most utilizer, and I know because I know Rachel because she does have a phone in her office, but most times she's on her cell. Every call that the domestics are the calls that you're constantly on because it's such an emotional time, and a lot of lawyers feel we're afraid to let them know our, like your cell phone is like having some secret, code or something. And I think that's what separates it. They literally know they're not having to, they're worried, they're scared about their kids. They don't have to get routed through the front office. They get directly to us with questions. And I think probably everybody in this room responds on a weekend. And sometimes you want them to call you because you need to dial it down because sometimes they will get themselves in trouble. It's such an emotional state.
Right. Right. And there's often times where I'm getting text messages of, so-and-so is calling the police or this is happening and it's 9, 10, 11 o'clock.
The coming is always like.
Yeah. And so I'm like, all right. So sometimes it's very, I can't imagine practicing domestic world and not having text messages because there's times where we need to be able to they need to be able to secretly text me because the other parent's there or there's kids there and we don't want those issues brought up in front of the children. It's damaging to children. And so I think it definitely does set us apart that we are able to be very readily available to clients outside of the 9 to 5.